mean, like, the display is so beautiful, but like it's just interrupted by. I mean, I guess it's okay. It's not that bad. I mean, eh. Oh, okay. It's not terrible. I mean, it's like this big versus like this big on the 10. So like, it's not. It actually doesn't look that bad. Yeah, I actually kind of like it. That's like not bad at all. Like that's like kind of not a notch, kind of like it's like a little teardrop. Like I think we're not gonna have notches anymore. Like I think we're evolving. Damn, look at the display on this thing. It's like nearly bezel-less. And the camera pop, that's an excellent solution. There's embedded fingerprint. What the hell? Dude, we are moving in the future. We are evolving. It's official. We're killing the notch. It's going away. We are actually killing the notch. Real talk, real quick. Who cares if this isn't focused? By the way, if you're new here, this isn't the usual style of video that I create. Go check out some of my other stuff. You might like it. Anyway, let's be partial here. The Pixel 3 seems to be a great phone in a lot of different aspects. You know, hardware, software, camera, and the price isn't that bad. But Google, listen here, Google. If you're gonna try to pull this shit off next year, whatever this is, it's not gonna fly. It's not gonna fly. People are not happy with this, and can I ask, like, where was your design team for the past like year? Like, I could see the bigger bezels on like the Pixel 2, but this is just wrong. This is like a Frankenstein monster that was, you know, like okay to become a product. Like, this is no. Enough with that. Hope you enjoyed my CalebCity parody. New videos on the Huawei Mate 10 Pro 08 review and the iPhone XS Max, my 1 month later review, are coming soon. So, peace for now.